Welcome to ED 5316, Diversity in Public Education Spring Semester. I look forward to getting to know each of you in our course, and the purpose of this video is just to introduce you to our learning community, to go over review the syllabus and contact information. So once you have logged into your Blackboard, you'll notice here on the left-hand side, you have a menu option. I communicate weekly with you through email, through announcements. So you'll want to look at announcements each time that you log into your Blackboard course. Under course information, the first thing you will want to do this week is to look at this welcome video and review the syllabus. And notice we have a virtual office space here on the left-hand side. This gives you an introduction to me, your course instructor, and also reviews contact information, office hours, and if you have issues with Blackboard, some helpful information on how to direct questions. The second thing you're going to want to do is look at our course syllabus. So above that, you'll see the welcome video and syllabus, and here you'll find our textbook information. We are using Kent Koppelman's book, Understanding Human Differences, which is available to you at the Sul Ross bookstore and also on Amazon. And then you'll see our syllabus. So the purpose of this course is really to give you an overview of multiculturalism in public education. And we hope that you will gain an appreciation and understanding from an educational leadership perspective of considerations associated with educating the multicultural learner. Students in this course will also get an understanding of the need to design and support a curriculum that will benefit the diverse learner. So you will be interacting not only with me as your professor, but also with your peers. And each week we will really talk about different issues facing our students and diverse learners. And we'll really dive into how to best support these diverse learners, which cover a variety of types of students to include our special needs population, gifted and talented, racial issues, transgenderism, many issues that you will face as a leader in public education. So here you will see the primary goals of the course. The competencies for both the counselor and the reading specialist are listed here. And your textbook, of course, you should have already purchased, I hope, an APA manual. You are expected to write in academic language, not only for your paper that you'll have this semester, but also in your discussion posts. So this course is broken into basically 4 assignments. The first piece is looking at quizzes in your chapter readings. So each chapter you will have a quiz. There are 14 quizzes and they're 25 points each. For each of our chapter readings, we have grouped them to match a discussion board. The discussion board will sometimes require you to watch a video. Whenever you participate in your discussion board, you are provided points not only for your initial response, which should be written in academic language, you're also expected to peer review at least 2 other peer posts in a thoughtful way. I first want to talk to you about your discussion board response. We don't want to see just a very vague response. I would like to see not only you mention what's in the video and answer the questions that are provided, but also draw information out from your textbook, from your readings, and cite that using APA in your response. In addition, I expect that you share experiences and strategies as an educator, as a counselor, as a reading specialist, as a leader. How would you address this particular diverse population? What are some things that you have seen? So that's really looking at your discussion board response. Your peer reviews should also share those experiences, strategies, and also citing an APA, any other resources, information from our readings or other resources that you have come across from your study. But I also expect for you to use higher order questioning. So you're really providing a depth peer review that encourages conversation, not just good job or I liked your post or I liked what you said about this. I want to see a deeper response where you're engaging in critical thinking using questioning like you would in a classroom and you would expect teachers to do during instruction. So really we need to model this type of behavior online for our teachers and for our students. So that's really what I'm looking for to earn your maximum points of 50 points each, and there's 6 discussion boards. The third piece is you're going to write a paper. You're going to do some research. You'll choose one diverse learner group that we will be talking about many different types of issues. So you might, select students with that are maybe living in poverty or special needs or gifted and talented or ELL learners. You're going to select one group that you will research, and you will go to our library online and locate some recent articles and research that addresses strategies to engage and better meet the needs of the diverse learner that you are studying. So you will look at that critically. You're going to write a paper where you cite information from these articles using APA, and you're going to talk about a specific issue. Really, it's a short literature review, but I expect it to be based in research. And then the last piece, the last project, is you'll have a culminating group project with a partner where you will select, after you've conducted your research, you'll select a topic. It might be the same topic that you used for your research. It could be your partner's topic, but together you will create a PowerPoint presentation or a Google slide presentation that you will deliver to us in Blackboard Collaborate, where you will record, that will be recorded, and you will present this information as you would to a group of faculty that talks about how to best meet the needs of this diverse learning population. But you are also going to create some type of event, a plan that you can implement, that you could also track. So you're going to have a method towards tracking the success of your event or your plan or your program, and you will have defined roles and then how you will evaluate whether that was successful or not. So that is your culminating group project, and we'll talk more about that later in the course. You'll see the grading policy here for the course, and then information about what's expected along with your due dates and modules and ADA contact information. I look forward to getting to know you this semester. I'm so thrilled that you've decided to take this class. Please know that my door is always open, and I look forward to working with you and collaborating with you. Good luck.